Hello, welcome back. I know I haven't been on this channel for a minute now, but I went to Walmart and found these two cubes right here and decided, you know what, might as well get them and see what they're like. So, and I know I haven't posted in a minute, so I guess here's this. Been trying to find stuff to have a reason to upload, so I think I'm gonna do the 2x2 first, and then we'll move on to the 3x3. So let's get this unboxed. So need a knife. Oh. So doing this, I think from just seeing up here that it has like a little adjustment screw, but I could be wrong. So that's a stand, my fault. Well, that's actually NexCube. And then we have the actual cube itself, so I guess first initial turns. Okay, so it reminds me of the 2x2 that I use, kind of. This one, I think this one's Moyu. I could be wrong. I'm not good with 2x2s, so it kind of feels like that, but it feels like that with a mix of the Meilong 2x2. So at least that's what I'm feeling right now. So that's, I guess, the 2x2. It has a ball core, of course. The reverse corner cutting. So it's pretty good. I mean, nothing special. Oh, dang. Oh. Oh, that's... So I could put it right to this and then it would just still... I don't know how good that is with 2x2, or if that's even good in general. I can get it all the way over here and still... I don't know if that's good for 2x2. I don't do 2x2 a whole lot, but, you know, that's the 2x2 though. So next is the 3x3. So let's get this open. Hold on. Alrighty then, so a cut has been made. If I can get... open it up, and then... So this one, the stand on this one looks bigger. It looks bigger. When in reality, they're the same freaking size. Okay, so get into the cube part. So a lot of friction already, I can feel. So I guess first turns. I feel like this cube has a lot of potential if, you know, you were to put some lube in it and like loosen it. Or it's because it's already getting pretty good with just breaking it in. Of course, it's not going to be nothing special. But, you know, middle layers are okay. I mean, outside turning is good too. I mean, it's... So, corner cutting. Oh, that was butter. So it gets a little rough around that area right there. And that's not terrible, but it's not good. I guess it's kind of better than most 3x3s. Here? Okay. So for example, so RS3M is the closest cube to me right now, so it struggles around here. So this one is struggling around the same point that the RS3M is. Feel like we should do a solve on it. So let's do that real quick. Ooh, hold on. So this, and then U-perm. So it's not like nothing amazing, but it's not terrible. Again, a little bit of lube and loosening tensions and stuff like that. I don't feel like it would be that bad. Let's look at the insides of it if I can open it up. I don't know where the cap. There we go. So, okay, so it's just a regular screw. So like old cube technology, like really old. I'm starting to realize how far down that really goes. Like it goes like really fat down there. It doesn't lock in. It kind of just sits there. And I'm noticing that if you've ever gotten a speed cube, that or something like this, or something like, where is it? This, the logo is usually on the white side. The logo for this cube is on the blue. So I don't know if it's like do the blue side or whatnot, but you know, I mean, I like it. It's not like a terrible cube, but it's definitely 100% like not my main, and I know that for sure. So blue would be that, and then so yeah, that's I guess the review on it. I mean, it's very, very, I think breaking it in definitely helps. It's a lot looser than, or it's a lot easier to turn than before I started. Also doesn't seem to be popping or locking as much as I thought it would. So yeah, I guess that's my little review. So 2x2, that's not the 2x2, and then the 3x3. This one just doesn't. Oh, this logo is on the red side. Whoa. So again, they're Nexus Cube or NexCube, my bad. But yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys when I get something to make a video on. But other than that, yeah. Thanks for watching. And the stands are plastic as usual. But yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see ya in the next one. Bye-bye.